In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Naomi software when it is not able to send to Amplify Packs Uploader. If the program is not working correctly, you'll see this error message show up on the screen. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the first step that we need to do is restart the computer. Now that we've restarted the computer, we're going to look for the uploader icon, which is located on the bottom right of the screen. If it's hidden, just click the little arrow to see more of the icons and look for this green icon with the white up arrow. We're going to double click on it, and we'll notice that if the IP address is pointing to the 127.0.01 IP address, that is not the correct one. We need to click stop and select from the pull down menu the other option. Once we select the other option, we're going to click start and then send to tray, and then now you should be able to transmit the images.